I made this game in less than 10 minutes, and I did it all without writing a single line of code. I didn't even have to download anything. All I did was go to Astrocade.com. Just describe the game you want, step by step, lay everything out the way you like it, and hit the play button. That's it. So here's the game I wanted to create. Imagine you're a teddy bear that has to make it up these ramps to reach a pot of honey. Along the way, you have to jump over spiky balls rolling down the ramps. It's like the original Donkey Kong, except without all the donkeys. So that's the concept. Now, let's see how fast Astrocade can make it real. Go to the Astrocade homepage and type, "Make me a teddy bear in a bow tie," and set the backdrop to a forest. Then hit the Wish button. This takes us to a blank game world that looks like Windows XP for some reason. And you can see in the corner that a progress bar is filling up as Astrocade works on granting our first wish, which is already in our chat history. It's like texting, except you're texting with a super intelligent AI that can make any game you want, and will eventually turn us all into paperclips. And look at that! A teddy bear in a forest, including the bow tie. Now, check out the play button in the corner. We can click this at any time to test what we've made. Looks like our teddy bear can run and jump. I mean, it's kind of fun already. Then, when we're done, we can hit the edit button to go back. Now let's lay out our game world. We want the player to run and jump up a series of angled platforms to get to the honey. So let's wish for a long wooden plank to build it all. Perfect! Now comes the fun part. Click the plank, then move it around and rotate it until it's in position. Then duplicate it and repeat the process until we've got ourselves an obstacle course. Then we hit play again to test it out. Okay. That's on me for not specifying I didn't want my game world to immediately collapse. Luckily, this is an easy fix. Let's make a quick wish to turn off gravity for the planks. There we go. I gotta say, this is feeling pretty good already. Of course, we need some hazards to make things interesting, so let's wish for a vertical wooden pipe that drops spiky balls that hurt the player. Intriguing. Let's get this thing into position and see if it works. Ooh. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. This already feels like a real game, and I've made, 3 wishes? Not counting that stupid gravity thing. Now, the last major step is the honey, which is how the player wins. So let's make one more wish for a pot of honey that says you win with a burst of confetti when the player collects it. Place it at the top of the obstacle course and hit play for our final test. Amazing, right? In 4 wishes in a matter of minutes, we've turned an idea into a totally playable, real game, ready to share. But even this is just the start. There's no limit to what you can add or change from here. For instance, I also wished for a wooden arrow sign that points the player in the right direction, and one that says, "Honey is for winners," because, honey is for winners. And hey, as long as it's all just wishes, why not wish big? Maybe the bear needs the hammer of Thor to just destroy the spiky balls instead of dodging them. Or we could wish for a jetpack that lets the bear skip the platforms altogether. So now that you've seen how easy it is, check out Astrocade.com and share whatever you create in the comments below.